हेलो एवरीवन, हम पढ़ रहे हैं ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी। आज हम करेंगे पार्ट डी, पेज नंबर 455, होमोनेम्स एंड होमोफोन्स। ऐसे करके हमने पेज 454 तक कंप्लीट कर लिया है। हम इस बुक को कंप्लीट करेंगे। होमोनेम्स एंड होमोफोन्स। फर्स्ट हम बात करते हैं होमोनेम्स कहते किसको हैं। होमोनेम्स वो होते हैं जिनमें हमारी नेम्स इतनी स्पेलिंग सेम हो और प्रोनाउंसिएशन, स्पेलिंग और प्रोनाउंसिएशन दोनों सेम हो, लेकिन मीनिंग जो है डिफरेंट हो, उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे, होमोनेम्स। प्लस होमोफोन्स क्या होते हैं, होमोफोन्स भी, इट मींस ओनली इसमें क्या होती है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होती है लेकिन मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट होती है। लेट्स वी स्टार्ट नाउ। अबेट, टू बिकम लेस स्ट्रॉन्ग, डिमिनिश। अबेट, to encourage or support someone in a criminal act. Abet, to be next to or join to something. Abjure, to formally reject or not accept a belief. Adjure, to solemnly command or advise someone to do something. Accede, to agree or consent. Exceed, to be greater in number or size than something. Access, the opportunity or right to use something. Excess, more than necessary. Accessory, something extra that is not necessary but is attractive or useful. Accessory, someone who helps another person commit a crime. Accident, an unfortunate happening that occurs unintentionally. Incident, an individual occurrence or event. Address, to speak to. Address, the number of the building or the number of the street and place where somebody lives or works. Adversity, an unfavorable situation. Adversary, an enemy or opposing force. Advice, an opinion offered as a guide. Advice, to give advice to. Adopt, to choose or take as one's own. Adapt, to change according to new environment or new situation. Adapt, skilled, proficient. Addition, the act or process of adding or uneating. Addition, a particular form or version of a published text. Addicted, unable to stop doing or using something. Adore, to regard with the utmost esteem, love and respect. Adorn, to decorate or add beauty. Adverse, unfavorable. Adverse, having a strong dislike or disinclination. Affect, to influence. Affect, emotional response. Effect, a result. Effect, to cause. Afflict, to cause pain or suffering. Inflict, to impose. Ill, to be sick or unwell. Ill, a type of fear, a type of beer. Aid, to help or assist. Aid, an assistant. Easel, a space between rows. Easel, an island. Amicable, friendly. Amiable, pleasant and friendly. Alleviate, to make easier to endure. Elevate, to lift up. Always, in every manner possible. Always, regularly. Alteration, a change. Altercation, a dispute or quarrel. Alternation, successive change from one thing or state to another and back again. Opposite, suitable, well adapted. Opposite, completely different. Apprehend, to catch somebody. Comprehending, to understand. Admission, an act of admitting or being accepted. Admittance, the act of admitting someone to enter. Allay, to make more bearable or less served. Allay, a narrow passage between buildings. Allay, one who helps and supports someone who is in a difficult situation. Allude, to make an indirect reference to. Allude, to avoid. Allusion, an indirect reference. Illusion, a false idea or misleading appearance. Already, by this time. Already, fully prepared. Alright, informal variant of alright, often used to denote that something is satisfactory but not necessarily perfect. Alright, completely right or okay, used to indicate that everything is in order. Alter, a sacred platform or place. Alter, to change. Alternate, occurring or succeeding by turns. Alternative, a possibility of choice. Altogether, thoroughly. Altogether, everyone, everything in one place. A lot,